Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my eyebrow hack, and you don't have to have any eyebrows in order for yours to look as good as mine. Once you learn it, you will be able to do your eyebrows in less than 5 minutes. So come with me and let me show you. So I did put some moisturizer on my skin. And as you can see, my eyebrows are very light. I barely have any. But I'm going to be using powder. Dab some powder on my eyes. Because I have oily skin. And to me, this helps. Next, I'm going to take the spoolie. And then there's a pencil on the other side. I got this from the beauty supply store. Okay? Then I'm going to brush my eyebrows upward. And you don't have to do this. This is another pencil that I have. You don't have to do this, but it works for me. So I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose. And this is where I'm going to start. So put a line right here. Okay. A light. And then I'm going to put it this way. Put a little dot. Okay. And that tells me where it ends. So now I'm just going to lightly stroke it upward. Okay, let's go light. This pencil is kind of dark. I'm trying not to do it as dark, if that makes sense, because it'll be easier. And then you're going to just color this in. Like I said, light, very light. Okay, that's my little arch. So you're going to go a little light. As light as you can. Okay, so now you see I have that little arch like that. So now you're going to line it. Okay. And do the same for the top. Same for the top. Do you see? Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Color that in. Don't do it too dark. And now I'm going to take my spoolie. And you're just going to brush it up to your liking. And if you have to fill it in more, you can do that as well. Blend it in. I want it to look as natural as possible. See? As natural as possible. See, I see that the gaps where I'm going to have to fill it in a little more. But I want to brush it and blend it in as much as I can right now. Because that pencil that I have is dark. Let's get right here. That's kind of, you see? So now I'm going to take the pencil and just fill it in just a little bit. I said do it light. Okay. Light. Do it light. Okay. See? And then, you know, just keep doing it to your liking. Just going to do this a little more. And then next, I'm going to use this concealer. Okay. This is just gonna Just gonna line it out. Okay. And I'm gonna use this brush. Okay. Tap it on the back of my hand. Okay. Clean that up. Let's use a little more. Okay. 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 Now I'm gonna use this. I think this came out cute. You could take your finger. You could blend that in. And I think this came out cute. Cute and fast. See? See, I like it. Okay. I think this came out cute. And then again, if you want to, because I don't like it to be too polished or too pointy, if that makes sense. How do you like it? Hey guys, I hope you like the hack. And if you like it, let me know and leave a comment down below. For me, I am in love. I can't believe that I can do my own eyebrows and they look normal. I am definitely in love. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye.